Hello guys, today I'm very excited, very happy. In my previous video I talked about my transition from PHP to Swift and Vapor, and today I want to continue with that topic. I want to show you how you can have a fully functional Vapor app in just 3 simple steps. First one is to create and configure a VPS on DigitalOcean. Second one is to install Vapor on that brand new VPS. And last but not least is to create a database that you can use with your Vapor app. Okay, first thing to do, create an account in DigitalOcean and set up your payment information. That includes your credit card data, since DigitalOcean is a paid service. Having done that, it is time to create a brand new droplet. A droplet is a virtual server. Luckily for us, DigitalOcean is the creation of droplets in a friendly and convenient way. I'm in the official DigitalOcean website. I've already logged in, and this is what you get after you logged in DigitalOcean. This is the dashboard. Click the green button on top and select droplets. It is vital to select the proper Linux distribution. Since Swift runs on Ubuntu, we are gonna select Ubuntu 20.04, which is this. And my budget is limited, thus I'm gonna select the most basic plan and the cheapest, of course. In this case, is basic. Now select the configuration for your droplet. In my case, I'll select the first one, and this is what it'll cost you monthly. This is the first, and also regular Intel with SSD, and you get a VPS with $5 a month. Let's continue. Select the region in which you want your server to live in. In this case, I'm gonna leave it just like that, San Francisco. DigitalOcean suggests you create an SSH key to protect your server against threats. We are gonna do that. Click New SSH key, and what you get are the directions to create your SSH key. I'm using a Mac, therefore I'm gonna open a terminal and copy and paste the provided command. Let's open a terminal and copy this and paste it. I'm gonna leave the name just blank, and also the password. Okay, then we look at the directions again, and they say that we have to copy this command and paste it in the terminal. So let's do that. Copy and paste. Now copy the text shown and paste it in the text box. Give it a name. And click Add SSH key. We only want one droplet. Give it a name, in my case, Vapor app. And finally, click on Create Droplet. It's gonna take some time to configure and create your brand new droplet. Okay, it is done. Now let's move on to the next step, which is installing Vapor.